Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can share a TikTok video on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple to share a TikTok video on Snapchat. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. You just have to install Snapchat and TikTok on a device. So both my TikTok over here and my Snapchat over here is already installed. If you have done that, then you're good to go. Now follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you in order to share a video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech World, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to choose the video which you want to share. So I want to share this video. This is my iPhone trick video which I want to share on my Snapchat. I can click on the three dots at the side of my screen over here. Once I click on the three dots, I can see Snapchat logo over here. Now you can only see the Snapchat logo. If you guys have downloaded Snapchat on your phone. If you have not, it's not going to show you since I'd already done it. I'm going to click on Snapchat, it's going to say loading and it's going to say saving. Once you do it, it's going to open the video up on Snapchat. Now once the video opens up under Snapchat like this, what you can do is basically click on send to, and from over here you can choose whoever you want to send it to. So I want to send it to Have Enough Gifts. I'm going to choose Up Enough Gap and click on this little arrow icon at the bottom right corner of my screen. And this step has been sent to Have Enough Give, as you guys can see over here. Now if he views it, he can see the TikTok alright. So yeah, that's basically how we guys can share a TikTok video on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to the channel Tech World. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.